I'm going to take a moment and sit here under this pine tree. I'm going to lay down and admire this earth from the very ground. I'm going to feel everything that there is to feel. I'm going to feel the grass as I touch it with my hands. I'm going to feel the air on my skin. I'm going to breathe. I'm going to listen to the birds sing, for they know the melody that's in my heart. I'm going to be thankful for the moon and the sun and the sky and the clouds. I'm going to be grateful to my Creator for everything that is around me. I will be thankful for this day.